Another day, another game. This time, American heavy cruiser Des Moines. As usual, few characteristics of this ship, starting from positives. Guns. Guns are great. 5.5 seconds reload, and very good penetration, improved pen angles, very good damage, and overall guns are great. This ship is DPM monster regarding HE and AP as well. Another great thing is radar. It's 10-kilometer range and very long lasting, and you can even improve it with legendary mod surveillance radar, increasing it by 20%. And the third good thing about this ship, it's handling. It's quite nimble, maybe not the fastest one, but very good rudder shift and good turning circle, so it handles very well. You can see my actual build with 20 points captain on the screen. And now let's go to the negatives of these ships, and there is a very little negatives about this ship. The first one I would say it's a range on the guns. It's only 15.6 kilometers base, so I'm using range mod to increase it to 18.4 kilometers. So this is, like, in my opinion, the biggest weakness of Des Moines, because in today's meta, range is almost everything. The second negative of this ship is shell velocity. It makes hitting targets on the distance relatively difficult, but when you get used to it, well, it's a blast, because you've got so many shells, so big fire rate, that you can just adjust your aiming and hit more than other ships because of your reload, even if you miss some. The third negative is lack of torpedoes, but it's really nitpicking, because if this ship had any torpedoes, it would be very overpowered. It's very strong, borderline overpowered now. If you give the Des Moines torpedoes, it will be just hands-on the best cruiser on tier 10, or maybe even in the game. Overall, my score for this cruiser is 9 out of 10, so it's perfect cruiser. It doesn't have 10 only because the 10 is reserved for love of my life, I mean Zhao. Don't get me wrong, Des Moines is stronger than Zhao, but Zhao is perfect cruiser for me, so Zhao has 10 out of 10 and Des Moines has 9 out of 10. But don't be fooled by my subjective score. Des Moines is stronger than Zhao, but for me it's only 9 out of 10. Okay, now, how do you play this American monster? Well, you try to change its weaknesses into strengths. For example, slow shell velocity means high arcs, so you can hide behind the island and just shell your enemies. So this is the one way to play it, but I'm not a fan of it, so I only play this when I have a good occasion. I'm not counting on it to play all the time, because how I used to play Des Moines is just be aggressive and use your 10-kilometer radar to flush the DDs and kill them if possible. To make my DD hunting possible and easier, I'm using RPF in my captain's build, so I know where approximately DD is, and I can turn my guns preemptively before I use my radar. Don't forget to inform your teammates that you're using RPF by writing in the chat or pinging in the minimap like I did. Use your high drop preemptively so you can see torpedoes from DDs. Wait a little bit after you've been detected, because your concealment is 10.9 kilometers and your radar is only 10. So you wait 10-15 seconds and then you press radar and go!
Torpedoes direct front. Reporting the target position.
Word of advice, don't be sad if you can't kill DD on one radar duration, because when you use only 2 of your 3 turrets, you don't have full DPS. There is RNG, there is damage saturation on DDs, and stuff like this, when you have no help from your teammates, means that usually you reduce enemy DD health by 50 to 70%. I was lucky this Shimikaze wasn't patient and started shelling me, so he was spotted after my radar finished, and before he uses his smoke, I just killed him. It was lucky, but it might not happen to you. As you can see, this game is not going very well. We already lose our CV, and the game will get harder. But we've got American Monster on our side, so let's see how it goes.
Proceed to capture that area. I need intelligence now.
Okay, our team successfully defended the C Cup, but we need more cups because we are losing at the moment. And to take the B Cup, I need to get rid of this golden Louvre because I cannot afford to have him on my flank. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Oof, that took longer than I expected. These golden loaves are hard to kill, honestly, and this border humping, oh my god. Well, we get rid of him. What now? We need to defend B Cup because our RPF shows that something is there and going to C Cup to take it. So we need to counter this. Of course, CV wouldn't be called fun police if he didn't try to ruin our fun, but I hope we can deal with it later.
The enemy is about to win.
He's stuck on the island. Well, that was unexpected, but very welcomed gift from this cruiser. Now, we still over 200 points behind and enemy has 2 cups, well, 1 contested. We still have to deal with Cancer, CV, and HIV submarine, but it looks doable. If you're still watching at this moment, please consider liking and commenting down below to extend this video reach. And if you're not subscribing to my channel, please subscribe. It will make my day, and it's only 1 click for you.
Your game is through, 'cause now you have to answer to.
Ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir.
Fuck yeah! What you gonna do when we come for you now? Gotcha, bitch!
Enemy aircraft carrier. Torpedoes to port.
Fuck yeah! So lick my blood and suck on my balls.
Suck it, CV! Suck it! Sorry, I couldn't help it. Fucking CV tried to kill me in this last-ditch effort to save this game, but we did it, guys. We just pulled it out. Victory out of my ass by killing CV. Oh, there's nothing better in World of Warships. This is just why I still play this game despite this frustrating matchmaker, RNG, CVs, submarines and whatnot. Props to this Ivami, the player called Kaluti. Thank you, mate. I couldn't do it without you. You were great. A tier 9 battleship in tier 10 game with CVs, submarines, and you hold your own and you took the cup and you didn't die, and that's the most important in this game, guys. Don't die. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.